What's up? So today is Mexican Independence Day, and today I am going to Oliver's school. So I am most likely dressed for Parents' Day. I am not a parent though, so yeah. And let's hope I get to record, because if not, then this is not a video for me. This is like, I'm gonna record it, but I'm gonna try my best to record. If not, then I try my best. But yes, today I'm gonna be doing this, and then we're also gonna try to do more like daily vlogs today. And yeah, so if you guys are here and new, please subscribe, and let's get started on this video today, okay? And if you guys hear the background, I am just watching Family Guy, so don't mind that. It was me and Louise doing the quesadillas while the other parents were doing the other traditions with the other foods. So the other students were getting to know the other Mexican stuff. And yeah, we were doing the quesadillas while the other kids were getting to know like other food stuff. And yeah, and it was kind of fun. So yes. So I'm doing the hear me out. And I'm just, these are my Oreo cakes right here. Day 2 for my vlog. And this one next to me keeps looking at Linda's and Mouse's stuff. I don't know why. Like, look. Look, him just watching anime right now. Anyway, so right now we are heading to Lynn's. This is.
Look how happy it is.
And right, yeah, we're heading to Lynn's right now.
I'm happy as f***.
Yeah.
Put her pants on. Okay.
What the fuck?
Sure, Lynn's, what we do? Yeah. Let's go, bro.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Lynn's right now. Yay!
Let's see what I'm gonna eat without a tooth, bro.
Yeah, for real. So.
Flash the tooth, flash it. Flash it, bro.
Yeah, flash the tooth, flash the tooth. she's like, no. Anyways.
We probably just be in the living room, but you know.
Wait, hey, yo.
I heard dick too.
I heard.
She said living room.
Oh.
We'll probably just be in the living room.
Oh, yeah, that's the nicest place to be, in the living room. What would you do in the living room if you did that? Wait, what am I doing? I'm not going live streaming.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Ah! We are going to Lynn's right now, so let's go there right now, guys. You guys are excited?
Yes. I'm hungry.
Yeah, we hadn't eaten since the morning, so let's just head there right now. So yeah. So we just got here at Lynn's, and they need a dishwasher help sign, and
I sent it to Robert.
I was like, we were just talking right now, and we were like, since Luis is coming in the bed with his mom and grandma, we're like, we're gonna tell them that they need a dishwasher, because he's always asking to be a dishwasher. So yeah. So whenever he comes, we're gonna tell him real quick about it. So, you wanna become a dishwasher?
Yeah, no. I saw it.
Yeah.
I'm not going through this shit. I'm not.
Yeah, that was a no answer. He's gonna spend $80 on this right now. He's paying for everyone. Oh, okay. That's a parent fight right there. Oh, parent fight.
A picture?
No, it's part of a video.
Ah.
How many?
That's okay. No, everyone gets in the fight in my videos. It's okay. No worries.
He said it! He said it!
Our first meal right here.
Our first meal?
Oh, our
This is my second meal.
oh, this girl. She's like, this is my second meal right now. I got the soup with everything on here. I don't know if I'm gonna finish this first meal, but let's hope. Everyone else hasn't gone here yet, but let's see. I'm not gonna really record much, but I want to be professional on our meals. So yeah.
Good.
Who's calling you?
Bueno. Hola.
Why are you cutting the pizza?
Estoy en la comida china. ¿Y tú?
What are you doing?
Sí, mañana entro a trabajar. A las 4, sí.
Why are you cutting the legs?
¿De 4 a 8?
¿Lo quieres tratar?
No. Creo que es de 4 a 6.
Linda. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus.
Ya le dije a mi hijo que trabajo viernes.
Hippopotamus.
For real?
Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus.
$10 la hora.
You sure it's good?
Sí.
Everyone has different taste buds.
Ya.
Honestly, it's good.
Estoy algo nerviosa, pero...
Even Naruto ate this.
Really?
Yeah, because I cut off the leg. I cut off my glute. Right there, that piece right there. Yeah.
Sí, gracias. Gracias, Bruna. Mañana te hablo para hacerte enseñarte cómo voy a ir vestida. Sí. Bueno. Cuídate. Te quiero. Bye. Okay, yeah. My grandma.
If he eats the whole body, oh my god.
I know why you're still recording this. What? Oh,
I got his reaction.
como tu mamá tiene un dick.
What's the reaction of
scary.
your of the octopus? Do you like it?
It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be.
And then if it's alive, se te queda pegado aquí. Mira, se te queda pegado. Y en la panza y no va a caer.
Just be careful, cause it did have like mushroom flavor. What the fuck? I'm just joking with
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
you.
No, but you know it's not good.
I know you were.
David
I
says
know.
the trailer barely arrived right now. Para David.
¿Qué es?
Se va a enojar.
She doesn't want to try it. She doesn't want to try it.
No, porque se va a enojar. Dice que no le invitan.
Let me try it.
Él nunca le invita, dice.
You want me to try the
Va a
body?
decir, no me inviten, luego se enoja cuando no me quiere.
Dice
No, Luis, dile. Dice que lo
he
odias.
wants to try the leg.
Dice Luis no me quiere. Nunca me invita.
Is this for the octopus? Is this for the octopus cream inside?
Oh, not cream.
Oh.
Rosa decía.
En vez de
I already got Didi.
Candy, pass me some. She did it. She did it. She did it like that. Look.
So we just got here from Donna, and these guys are running. It's barely gonna start raining, and I forgot my camera in the car.
You recording?
Yes. I brought my umbrella in case, cause I already know. This girl's really recording too. I brought my umbrella just in case. And oh, it doesn't really open, but I know it does because whee! It's broken. Oh shoot! Whee! And we're going to Five Below right now. Yay! They're mostly here more just like hugging each other. I'm mostly more lonely.
Why you gotta record me? You don't see that? Anything I'm pregnant.
I look pregnant too. It's okay. I look pregnant too. It's okay, girl. She got a big slinky.
I hit myself with this. I like the size of this banana.
I am the way your son don't need a.
With this.
Damn. Is that a big banana?
That's what she said.
She wishes yesterday I said, that's
Damn. How long is this then? Oh, this is so long. Look at this. You better not let go.
Won't the other go at the same time? 1, 2, 3, go.
Wait, actually? 1,
2.
2, 3.
We're supposed to let go together.
I thought you were gonna let go and then
You're supposed to let go.
let's get the fuck.
Next day, and I am not feeling well. Literally, because in my moco. Oh my god, it's so disgusting. And oh my god, I do not feel so good. And oh my god, I want to throw up right now. I want to throw up so bad. I'm probably gonna do it right now. I'm gonna do it. This is the worst day. And I'm in class. Like, this is the worst time. Oh my god. So I got home and I feel a little bit alright, and I'm eating this. I know it kind of looks disgusting, but this is actually good. This is ramen with mushrooms, cheese, egg. This chicken noodles though. It's actually good. I don't know. I mix mushroom and eggs with lemon pepper with this sauce. I think it was like tan. It was a Chinese sauce. I forgot what name it is. It's because my brain is like foggy at the moment. But I'm gonna put it right here, this photo. But yeah, that's how I did it. And yeah, the egg, I did pop the yolk though, so yeah, that's why it kind of looks like this at the moment. Yeah, I mean, it's good. I love it. I'm still eating it though, so that's why it kind of looks like that. But I mean, everything else is good. And I put a lot of cheese, so yeah, it's Mexican cheese, so it's two type of cheese. So it's day 4 or 5. Not too sure. I have a bad sore throat at the moment. I hadn't took the temperature yet. I am sniffling and it hurts right now. I may take the temperature just to make sure. Like, my headaches are alright. I don't know. Well, I have Well, yeah, I do have a headache either way. Like, but I'm still gonna take it either way. So look, see how high it is.
It's 16:03. The temperature is 82.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Your body temperature is 98.1 degrees Fahrenheit. Your body temperature is 97.9 degrees Fahrenheit. Your body temperature is 98.4 degrees Fahrenheit.
I fucking sore throat, and yeah, I'm so good. Either way, I'm just gonna be resting while editing the Hear Me Out cake. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing today. But let's just see what happens. So yeah. So right now I kind of woke up and my mom gave me some pills just so I can feel a little bit better, but I don't really have a sore throat no more. I'm just having some little bit of headaches, and my headaches are banging right now, and right now it's like 11:42, 11:43, and I'm trying my best to like to keep calm with my headaches, because I am trying to finish the video for this Hear Me Out cake. If I can't do it, I'm probably gonna have to delay it to Saturday. Like, I always delay some videos to like the next day sometimes. Like, I always keep update on Instagram. Sometimes on my notes, like, I keep a delay. Sometimes because I'm at school or because I'm sick, and that's the thing I hate. And so yeah, but since it's my aunt's birthday, we're gonna go to my grandma's just to pick her up, and then we're gonna go to Mission to celebrate her birthday. And since she's in the medical hospital, one of those things, I do not know if I can record that area or not. I will try my best, but I would try. So yeah.
It's on Dynamite Sticks one? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hannah. Happy birthday to you. Hey.
At the moment, we just went back to my grandma's just so we can drop her off. I'm still waiting in the car for her and for my mom, and my head is banging really bad right now. I do not know what's going on with me. Oh my god. I am trying my best to keep myself alive. Hopefully I do not end up really super sick. My sore throat is already feeling better, but probably when I get home I'm gonna go straight to sleep. But yeah, so this is the next day. Today is Sunday, September 21st.
Do you remember when it was September?
And right now I'm driving around. I feel a little bit much better after sleeping a lot lately, and I've been looking around lately and I found some pretty good ideas what I can do, and I see like a lot of people like around the valley right now, so like what I can do, and there's some good ideas I can do, like I don't know why, but like there's some people like around the valley just traveling, just here and around. I'm trying not to crash right now, but yeah, I'm just driving, trying to do some errands like getting McDonald's. That's usually what I do. But yeah, that's usually what I'm doing right now, and I'm gonna vlog when I get home. So yeah, I like how right now I'm just doing homework, and it takes a while to do homework. Don't know, my hair looks so messed up, and I want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys did, please give a big like, and hopefully you guys see my other videos, and yeah, and I'll see you guys the next videos as soon, and bye guys.